Time to talk about chatbots. Natural language processing (NLP) chatbot is a computer program or AI system designed to understand, interpret, and generate human language in a way that allows it to engage in a natural and meaningful conversations with human users. These chatbots use various NLP techniques, including machine learning and language modeling, to process and respond to text-based or spoken language inputs. As most of these technologies are covered in other TSAAI modules, we will here focus more on the history and applications of the NLP chatbots. ELIZA was developed in mid-1960s at MIT. It used pattern matching and scripted response to simulate conversations in the style of a Rogerian psychotherapist. How do you mean that? Tell me more. I see. ELIZA could engage users in a text-based conversation by transforming user inputs into questions and responses. In the 1970s and 1980s, chatbots mainly relied on rule-based systems. These systems followed predefined rules and patterns to understand user inputs and generate appropriate responses. Although limited in their capabilities, they paved the way to more advanced approaches. ALICE, Artificial Linguistic Internet Computer Entity, was developed in the late 1990s and featured improved natural language understanding. The 2000s saw the emergence of commercial NLP chatbots. Companies like Microsoft introduced their own chatbots like Microsoft Office Assistant. You remember that annoying talking paperclip, right? It was supposed to provide help and information within their products. However, these chatbots were still relatively simple and often struggled with handling complex conversations. The 2010s marked a significant shift in the development of NLP chatbots. Largely, this was due to advances in AI and machine learning. IBM's Watson, for example, showcased the potential of machine learning and natural language processing by winning the quiz Jeopardy! In 2011. Microsoft's TSAAI chatbot from the 2016 was an example of potential pitfalls of AI-driven chatbots. TSAAI was designed to learn from conversations and mimic the speech patterns of a teenage user. However, it quickly became controversial when it started producing offensive and inappropriate content, highlighting the importance of responsible AI training. In recent years, advancements in deep learning and neural networks have led to the development of more sophisticated and capable chatbots. OpenAI's GPT, Generative Pre-trained Transformer, including GPT-3, have demonstrated remarkable language understanding and generation abilities. These models can engage in coherent and contextually relevant conversations, making them valuable tools for various applications, from customer support to creative writing. In turn, other major players in the field quickly accelerated their research on large language models, LLMs. For example, Google developed BART, Baidu developed ErnieBot, and Meta developed Llama. NLP chatbots have become increasingly integrated into various industries and services. They are commonly used for customer support, virtual assistants, language translation, content generation, and more. Chatbots are also becoming more specialized, tailored to specific domains or industries. This improves their efficiency and effectiveness. And now let's take a look at some of the issues associated with the use of NLP chatbots. Early studies have found potential of these chatbots to enable plagiarism or fuel misinformation, or, in the long run, to even atrophy human intelligence. Some of these issues include bias and fairness, privacy, data security, transparency, accountability, human dependency, ownership and intellectual property, and unexpected behavior that can lead to harmful consequences. A well-known issue are hallucinations, meaning that the chatbot confidently states made-up or incorrect facts. NLP chatbots have developed from humble beginnings of predefined answers or rule-based systems to today's powerhouses that use large language models and are able to communicate in a very efficient way. They are already used in various fields. Most likely, they're here to stay, but we should not be carefree in using them. There are several ethical and other problems that may arise from the use of these technologies, therefore, caution is needed. At the end of the unit, you will find several questions to test your knowledge. Here is one of the questions. Which chatbot became notorious in 2016 because it started using offensive language? Was it TSAAI, Watson, Bard, or ChatGPT? Ask ChatGPT.